Hi all, we will see the concept of break-even analysis now, so which is an important concept in marginal costing. We'll see the meaning of break-even analysis now. Break-even analysis indicates the equilibrium point between total sales and total cost. Which means that total sales are equal to total cost. Suppose a company makes a sales revenue of rupees 1 lakh for a particular period of time, and the cost incurred during that time is the same 1 lakh, which means that there is no difference between sales and cost. Then the situation is said to be break-even point, where total sales are equal to total costs. It is also further stated that it is an output level at which total sales are equal to total costs, and that output level will be considered as break-even output. As there is no difference between the total sales and total revenue, the business is not going to generate any profit or loss. So there will not be any profit or loss for the business at break-even point, and that is the reason why even break-even point is also considered as no profit and no loss point. And if we make higher volume of production above the break-even point of our output, then there will be a profit. On the other hand, if we make lesser volume of production which is below the break-even output, then there will be a loss. So therefore break-even point will be helpful in various decisions, like to determine the production, that is the number of units to be produced. Then it is also helpful in fixation of the selling price, determination of variable and fixed costs, and also helpful to determine the profit or loss for the business. As the break-even point is very much important element for various decisions, so this point is also known as critical point, and also known as equilibrium point and balancing point, as this point makes the equilibrium between total revenue and total costs.